Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is just going to be a quick unboxing and then a demo of the Syncwire 3.5mm headphone jack adapter for iPhones and iPads. So you can see it's a lightning to headphone adapter. So that's what it is. Let's open it up so we can take a quick look at it. They do have a little user guide in the box in case you need that. And then the device itself. And here you go. You can see, pretty simple. You've got your lightning input on one side, so you plug that into your iPhone or your iPad. And then on the other end, you've got your headphone adapter. So you plug your headset into there, and now you can listen to music, podcasts, YouTube videos, whatever you want to, carry on phone conversations through your iPhone with that wired headset. Since the current iPhones don't have 3.5mm standard jack, this basically gives you that feature on iPhones and iPads, anything with the lightning connector. And this is by Syncwire. Anyway, that's what's in the box. Now let's jump over to a quick demo of the product. So what's really cool is I have these really nice AKG wired earbuds, and you can see I've got that Syncwire adapter plugged into my iPhone, and then these earbuds plugged into there. And so by doing that, it allows me to use these with the iPhone. So I can hear. I can also use the mic that's built into these, so I can long press on this. What time is it? So by long pressing on that, this has a button for that. It starts up Siri. Now, depending on your headset, like the volume control buttons on this headset don't work plugged into that, because that's not just not a function the iPhone honors, I guess. But the mic works, the earbuds work, you can hear sound, and the button to launch Siri even works. And without any issues, the mic works great on these, the sound is great on these, and that's all thanks to that Syncwire adapter. So now we're going to jump over to a video so that you can actually hear the sound working and hear how it works using a speaker instead of earbuds, which of course you can't hear. So I also want to show you that you can use this to get sound out, not just for a headset, because what's significant about the connector working for a headset is that it also works for the mic. But you can also use it just for stereo sound. So I have a stereo auxiliary cord plugged into the end of that adapter and then plugged into the speaker. And so now I can just get sound out of there. Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I am so excited to talk to you about what is one of my absolute favorite products this year. This is the Neo Immersive TV. So I'm turning down the volume of the speaker. Not turning down the volume of the actual phone, just the speaker, because the sound is coming out of the speaker. And so yeah, so you can see you can get sound out of it, and that would also work in your car. So if you wanted to get sound from your phone to your car stereo through the auxiliary jack, you can use this for that as well. So you can use it just to get stereo sound out using an auxiliary cord, or you can plug any headset or headphones, and if they have a mic built into them, then the mic will work as well. So really an excellent product by Syncwire. If you're looking for a simple but quality made headphone adapter for your iPhone, then you really can't go wrong with this one by Syncwire. Really excellent product, and definitely one I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone would be interested, share the video with them. Don't forget to favorite this playlist or subscribe to my channel. Keep up with future product reviews. And yeah, that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.